Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Field Studio. Today is a great day because for the past month, the studio has changed a lot, and today it's our pleasure to show you all these updates. First of all, the audio recording section has been completely moved, and we've added this cool 3D printed rack mount for guitars. Without any doubt, we decided to keep the brown couch. Concerning the gears, we've updated the computer with the last Intel's processor, and we've added some DDR4 which bring the RAM to 32 GB. We'd like to mention a special thanks for a donation to the studio, which is the M-Audio Project Mix sound card. And now let's move on to the great crew behind the scene. Well, I think some of you may have noticed this weird guy with a red hat on. Let me introduce to you the Red Salamander. He has played a major role in the studio for the last few years since he's the main backer of the project. Second though, a special guest from Poland, one of my good friends and also a great audio engineer, Nelek Newton. He's also a great classical guitar player and a genius composer. Third, we have our newborn member. Let's have a look at Guppy. Guppy is a great guy for the moral support of the team and to fight back anxiety. Fourth, thanks to Matt Tellen, which is our main cameraman and video engineer. Fifth, let's introduce Materio, our second camera guy, music composer, sound tech and 3D modeler. He's also gonna be in charge to design our t-shirt. Sixth, a special crew member, support tech and another important backer in the project, Young Seb G. Last, I'm Phil and I'm your host in the studio, and no need to worry about the electronic lab because it's still in update, and that's maybe why you've seen fewer posts or electronic project recently, but there's a lot more to come. Until then, I say to you, have a good trip on my channel and stay tuned.